Love yours. Love yours.
I don't need no fake. Soon as I wake up, keep an eye out for the snakes.
I'm about to get my bag repaired. Y'all can see the zipper. It's coming apart. Over here at the PRADA store. This is me.
Sometimes we had less compared to some of my
Yeah, pita. Got the honey chicken with the corn, tomato and cucumber, brown rice, arugula, lettuce, garlic, and the harissa vinaigrette dressing. I think that's everything. And I got a strawberry lemonade. How is it, Mama? Good. Yeah, y'all, my sister went to the bathroom. I'm just showing y'all how good my strawberry lemonade looks. Please don't play. Yeah, all that, all that. If y'all want this, come to CAVA. So good. I told these food up. Y'all can't even cap on that right here. That's just that's just bad. I ate that up. So yeah, I'm gonna put her camera back before she mad.
I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock.
Yeah, I had to come to Neiman Marcus.
Your telephone number one more time.
Y'all, I'm home editing. It's a rainy day outside and I'm watching some YouTube. Drink me some tea and cramping so bad. Hey y'all, so I was just showing y'all my hair. There's some knotless braids and they are so cute. Hey y'all, I'm about to go to the shop. It's a Thursday, so nice out. Yeah, I just put on some clothes today. Just got back to the house and I was passing out cards today and just trying to work on my business. I went and did my makeup at the shop. Hey y'all, so my interview just went live on VoyageAtl. I am so happy, so excited. They reached out to me and my interview is finally up. So make sure y'all go check that out. If y'all want to read more about me and about my story and how I got to where I am today. So yes, I'm super duper happy that this interview is up. Make sure y'all go check it out. Hopefully by the time this vlog goes up, my interview is still up. I'm not sure how, like when they remove it and stuff, or how long they leave it up. Check me out. And if y'all are wondering, my name is pronounced Char, me, see, keep God first. And that's how you get to. I'm inside a Pink Clothes at Greenbrier Mall, y'all. Make sure y'all come check them out. Y'all need some fits. Boutique. It's another good store in here. Oh, sis is serving. She ate. Sis ate. Y'all, this is one of my favorite healthy snacks. It is so good. Another one of my favorite healthy snacks. This right here, y'all, is so freaking good. And they only 100 calories. I think I need 2. I think I need 2 of these, y'all. Oh, I still want to try the cookies and cream. That might be busting, y'all. Let me see, should I try these? Mom, you think I should try the cookies and cream one? Let's stick to the chocolate. Let's stick to the cookie though. This cookies and cream. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do an outfit of the day. I got on earrings from Louis Vuitton, glasses Louis Vuitton, bag Louis Vuitton, watch Cartier, top is from Shein, pants are from I think Sassy's in the West End Mall in Atlanta. They bell bottoms. My slides are Gucci. Y'all can see, but yeah, Jonesboro South Day. See y'all when we get there. How I look, y'all. Rate my outfit.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, 2 times, baby girl, you know me.
Fuck it, I won't bustin' up, pull out gang bang shit, whole thing gang shit. Them bands on my lane, switch, show shit.
300 pounds of spot, they all disappear, you know they win. Ain't worried about a hotel and her best friend, I'm cheap, she know I'm rich. Got 4 or 5 hoes in the jet, and it's only me, you know I'm lit.
Coming out of Jones, South, nigga had me going all 3 mouths. Lifetime goals, when it the proof. My sprite is on army base. Said I got the proof. Say my bitch on vacay. Put her in the coupe. Change the channel, I wanna see that it